GPO, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Taking a live look through our iNet weather camera at the moment. You'll notice the sky has kind of a gray look to it, almost a milky appearance to the sky. And we do have some very thin cirrus clouds overhead, but this is actually enhanced by some smoke up in the upper atmosphere. We're just talking about some brush fires here locally, but the smoke actually high up in the sky has traveled quite a distance. You'll see we have a light to moderate concentration of smoke over New York today. That'll likely be lingering a little bit for us tomorrow. We'll get kicked out, though, by the weekend, with hopefully some beautiful blue sky returning there. Now, overnight tonight, going to be pretty mild for us. Our lows only in the mid-50s for the most part. Last night, 40s, so not as cool as we were last night. That means a mild morning and another very warm afternoon. We're up to 82 in Old Forge tomorrow, 85 in Loudville, 84 in Utica. So it will be quite warm for us once again, looking almost 20 degrees above normal. Now, later on tonight, we'll have maybe just a cirrus cloud in the sky, but other than that, we stay nice and dry. And we will for tomorrow as well. Mostly sunny skies here in the afternoon. Tomorrow night, we start to see a few more clouds roll in for the day on Saturday. This will be a very slight chance of a shower here Saturday, an isolated one, but you'll see plenty of sunshine in between. The better chance to end that streak will come with showers on Sunday. Now, Sunday night, we have a lunar eclipse happening, and this will be a total lunar eclipse, meaning that first the moon will move into the part of Earth's shadow where it just gets a slight color change, but eventually it's going to take on kind of a reddish orangey color once the moon does get eclipsed by the Earth's shadow. And it's going to be lasting the whole eclipse more than 5 hours, starting at 9:30 p.m. But the best time to view it is actually going to be after midnight on Sunday night. For an hour and a half, it will have that red orangey color to it, starting at around 11:30. So that's Sunday night. We will have clouds in the sky, but hoping for those to break up enough for us to be able to view that. Now, overnight tonight, we've got mainly clear skies. Will be down into the mid-50s, so not quite as cool as it was last night. And then 80s again tomorrow afternoon, 84 degrees. Certainly running above average for this time of year. Tomorrow night, we're in the 50s again. Another 80-degree day, 82 on Saturday. Small chance for an isolated shower Saturday. I think most of us will end up dry all day. Sundays when we get some scattered showers and a few thunderstorms coming through. Same for Monday. Notice we cool off a little bit early next week, but we can't really call that cool. Low 70s Monday, and then 60s Tuesday, Wednesday will be a little cooler, but again, that is actually normal. 60s is what we should be seeing here in mid-May. We've just been very unseasonably warm for the past few days, so hopefully Sunday we'll get a good, couple of days.
Your eyewitness weather forecast.
Another dry day with beautiful blue sky. Are you bored of it? If you're a meteorologist, you're a little bored of it. Otherwise, you're probably enjoying this nice summery streak here. We're having a little bit early this time around. Got into the 80s again today. Remember, that's a good 15, 20 degrees above where we should be this time of year. Beautiful sunset to end the day. Thank you to Ken for sending this one in. If you have a weather photo to send us, please do send it my way. Find us on social media, or you can email it to weather@cnyhomepage.com. Even when the weather's quiet, we have a beautiful sunset. We always enjoy those photos. And we actually did have some wildfire smoke in the air today as well. That would make the sunset even a deeper, darker red than normal. So look out for that again tomorrow. Now, later tonight, our lows only in the mid-50s. It's pretty mild out there right now, and we'll be nice and warm again tomorrow. Getting into the 80s, 82 in Old Forge tomorrow, 84 in Utica, low 80s in Oneonta and Cooperstown as well. So very, very warm for us again. And overnight tonight, other than a thin cirrus cloud in the sky, nothing really to talk about. We'll be nice and quiet. Mostly sunny tomorrow as well. We have a very small chance for a sprinkle there, but I think most of us will end up dry all day. And that will be the similar story for the day on Saturday as well. Just a few more clouds coming in here, but look at the afternoon. Plenty of sunshine in between as well. You may get sprinkled on briefly, but most of the day, Friday and Saturday here, will end up nice and dry. Then happening at the end of the weekend, Sunday night, we do have a lunar eclipse. That is when the full moon will be going into the Earth's shadow. Now, the Earth's shadow actually has a kind of weaker shadow and a darker shadow. We have the penumbra, but once the moon goes into the umbra, which is the darker of those two shadows kind of in the center, that will actually add kind of a reddish orangey glow to the moon. So you'll be able to see that overnight on Sunday night. Even though the entire eclipse actually will last more than 5 hours, it will only have that kind of reddish orangey appearance to the moon for about an hour and a half. That starts at 11:30 p.m. on Sunday night. So we're waking up or staying up for it. It'll last about 90 minutes. minutes until that reddish orangey color kind of starts to fade away once again. So something to look forward to again that Sunday night. Overnight tonight, just mainly clear skies and pretty mild. Our lows are only in the mid-50s, not as cool as we were last night in the 40s. Tomorrow we're back up into the mid-80s, so it'll be a nice warm day for us once again, continuing with the sunshine. Plenty of it on Saturday as well. Just a very small chance for a stray shower Saturday. I think our better chance to see some rain this weekend comes on Sunday, although the whole day will actually end up not wet. We'll have showers here and there, but plenty of dry time in between. Maybe some rumbles of thunder as well. Same story goes for Monday. We're slightly cooler next week, but 60s and 70s, actually closer to what we would see for normal for this time of year, and cooling off back down into the 40s for some cool nights next week as well. These next couple of nights, though, coming up, mid to upper 50s, not really all that cool for us.
No doubt. Witness weather forecast.
Only 2 cirrus clouds in the sky to end the day today. Made for a beautiful sunset. Shout out to Ken for sending me this beautiful weather photo. You can send your weather photo our way by emailing it to weather@cnyhomepage.com, or you can find us on all the various social media pages. Now, later on tonight, our low temperatures not that low, only in the mid-50s. We're actually sitting at 71 degrees here at 11 p.m. in Utica, down to 56 for a low later on tonight. It'll be a slow cool down, not as cool as last night, and a pretty mild start tomorrow, bring us all the way back to the 80s tomorrow afternoon. 82 in Old Forge, same for Oneonta, mid-80s in the Mohawk Valley. It will be another warm and dry day for us, and you can see on the futurecast tonight, barely a cloud in the sky, just a cirrus cloud if anything. And tomorrow we're enjoying beautiful sunshine in the afternoon once again. A few clouds come in here, it looks like, for Saturday morning, but Saturday afternoon will feature plenty of sunshine. Just a very small chance for an isolated shower. You'll see the futurecast trying to pick up on 1 or 2 here Saturday afternoon or evening. Most of us will end up staying dry the whole time. Now, at the end of the weekend, Sunday night, we have a lunar eclipse happening. That's when the moon gets into the Earth's shadow, not just its main shadow, the penumbra, but actually the darker center shadow known as the umbra the moon will be getting into. And that is going to allow the moon to take on kind of an orangey red color here on Sunday night. Now, the whole eclipse is going to last more than 5 hours, but that orangey red color to the moon only lasts about 90 minutes. So the best time to view that is going to be from 11:30 until 12:53 p.m. Sunday night. And if you're going to get up and just peek out at it very quickly, about 11 a.m. would be the best time to do that. That's kind of the middle of that 90-minute long orangey red color look to the moon, and that will be ending for us in the early morning hours on Monday. So overnight tonight, we're quiet, mainly clear skies, down to the mid-50s eventually. It'll be a slow go, very, very mild out there tonight. We're warm into the mid-80s again tomorrow, a good 20 degrees above normal, by the way. So we're getting a good little summer preview here. Still looking at 80s for Saturday, just a small chance of a stray shower there. We've got a better chance to end the dry streak on Sunday with some scattered showers, maybe a few thunderstorms as well. Now we're hoping, but Sunday after sundown, we'll get some clouds to break up and hopefully be able to see that lunar eclipse. Now we cool off a little bit for next week, but it's not really cool. Our highs will be left in the 60s and 70s. That's about what we'd expect to see around here in mid-May, cooling off nicely at night into the 40s as well. So some very mild nights, especially